This video is only for the baby 5 months and older. Give just a few tablespoons of prune juice, 100% prune juice, and baby will be happy. I've used K. Nutson's prune juice and the Lakewood prune juice. Both are organic and 100%. Both worked. And my favorite is a Lakewood because it is a slightly more dense and sweet, I feel. If you're interested, check out Whole Foods. The price is about $6 to $7. I usually add prune juice to the infant formula and mix them. If I think that my baby may be having constipation, I give 1 tablespoon. For example, if my baby doesn't poop for 2 days and I add 1 tablespoon to the infant formula, and then 2 hours later, if nothing, and I add one more. I repeat this maybe a few times, but I make sure I wait for a half a day or so until the prune juice starts working, and still nothing, and I add a lot more. So 1 ounce into the baby bottle and then mix with the formula. But 1 ounce is a lot for baby, so be ready for a mess. Usually it works within a few hours, the longest a day or so. Everything that I talked so far applies to my baby, and the definition of constipation is different from baby to baby. Anyway, just don't give too much prune juice. It's heavy on a baby. Prune juice tastes better when mixed with the cold water rather than warm water. So I use warm water to dissolve the infant formula and then let it cool down a little bit. It adds good flavor to the infant formula. Make sure to let baby relax in a quiet place after she finished drinking the prune juice.